When you first open the tool, you will see the Document Library docking window docked on the right of the screen. You can open the window by mousing over the tab. To keep it open, you will need to click on the pin icon to lock it open. To learn more about using window docking, see the Docking Windows tutorial. If you want to temporarily remove this window, you can click on the upper X icon to close it. To get it back, you will need to open the Windows menu option and then click on Document Library. This will bring the window back again. You can add and manage documents here or in the Question Detail screen. The difference is that the document is associated with a question when you use the Question Detail approach. If you add a document here, it will be part of the assessment file but not tied to a question. Let's add a file to the library. If you know the title of the document, then enter it into the text box and click the Add Document button. This will bring up a file selection form to identify and pick the file. You can see the file is now associated with this question. It will also show up in the document library. Often, we can't remember the title of a file until we see it. You can add a document first and then add the title as you see here. First, we add the file. Now we double-click in the title field. This changes color and allows us to enter the name or change the name if necessary. To the right of the file name are three icons. The Q button will show any questions that are also linked with this document. This can be useful if you want to check before you delete it from the assessment. The Garbage Can button will delete the file from the library. The Paper with an arrow icon button will export the file to a selected directory location. We'll open an existing assessment with files that have been stored. To better work with the library, you can expand the size and even change the heading sizes, as shown here. You will notice that the process for adding documents is identical in the Question Detail window. We'll add a couple of new documents here to support this question. Back in the document library, we see that all the documents in the question are managed here. This concludes this tutorial on using the document library.